hang on. Good afternoon. I'm looking for Bear today, and you'll never guess where we are. We are up in the bell tower, and can you see that great big bell swinging? There, that's one of the bells that we hear on a Sunday morning when the bells are being rung by the bell ringers. At the moment, one of the bell ringers is putting a muffle on the bell so that it doesn't make such a loud sound. That is because the Duke of Edinburgh has died, so the bells, when they ring, will be muffled. It's got some lovely writing around the top of the bell. I'm not sure what it says. Well, Bear has positioned himself on the ladder so he can see. It's a little bit high for him to get up there, and a little bit high for Miss Susu. What a lovely thing to show us today, Bear. Thank you for sharing that with us. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.